guys, so sorry it's been so long. There's been a lot of crazy stuff going on in my life. As you can see, the Bullitt isn't the car in the garage right now. It is actually my wife's car, but the Bullitt is parked right out there. So basically, this is just an update video, and I'm actually going to be replacing this trim piece on my wife's car. So it's right here actually. It's in pretty bad shape. So you know, you can see that the weather stripping on it is, you know, mostly broken right here. It's pretty bad, but the really bad part is, let's see if I can, it doesn't connect. So it flaps in the wind and flaps and drives her absolutely crazy. And we live in a windy area, so I'm actually gonna replace it for her. I gotta clean the new one though. It looks like, if I can show the camera a little bit, it needs to be cleaned, so I'm going to wipe it off with some alcohol, get some of the adhesive off, and you know, go from there. Basically, it's an easy replacement. It's 5 minutes at most, and you know, hopefully I don't break anything. There we go. Oh, definitely gonna have to clean that out, because as you can see, those pieces are, well, specifically that one pulled out clip with it. Well, that's not supposed to happen, I don't think. Let me show you what happened. So, right here, right there, that glue is left over from a clip like that, which ended up there. So, at least for now, might have to do an update to this, because at least for now, I'm just gonna replace this one and hope for the best. So that looks a lot cleaner. It is a lot better than the old one. So because this video is kind of a channel update, I have a few projects to do with the Bullitt out there. I have a you know, box of a couple things here, another box there, so I'm gonna be staying busy, and it is hot here, it is summer, so hopefully I will have some time to get this done. So just so y'all can see it again, I do still have the Bullitt. It's well, it needs some love. It definitely does. You know, it's needs some paint work here and there. It needs, you know, just a little love, and you know, hopefully we'll get her back up to the way she should be. So if you guys have any suggestions on, you know, any mods you want to see, anything like that, you have any questions, I'm going to be working on the two cars periodically, so you never know which one you might see. Subscribe if you want to follow all this. Hit the like button if you want to promote this video, and if you actually like the content or any comments, anything like that, we're always welcome. Catch you guys next time.